Place the Lily Simple rollout pilaster in the cabinet flush against the face frame. Use the included black 3/4 screws to mount the pilaster to the side wall of the cabinet. Next, you'll want to take your glides and disassemble them by taking the black flipper, lifting it up or down to slide the two pieces apart. Use the indicated holes to mount the glides to the pilaster. Make sure you use the screws that came with your glides. After the glide is attached to the front pilaster, grab your second pilaster and mount it to the glide. This will provide you with the placement for your mounting. Use two black 3/4 screws to attach the pilaster to the side wall of the cabinet. You will use the same steps to complete the installation of your pilaster and glides on the other side of the cabinet. After you have completed the installation of the glide and the Lily Simple pilaster kit, use the other side of the glide and attach that to your rollout shelf. Make sure the glide is flush to the front and to the bottom of your rollout shelf. Complete this step for both sides of the rollout shelf. Now you'll want to pull out the glides from the cabinet. Taking your rollout shelf, simply align the grooves in the glides and slide your rollout shelf into place. You will hear a click when they're together. And with that, you have completed the install of your shelf using the Lily Simple Rollout Installation Kit.